Rats and cockroaches will disappear from your home with this homemade trick, which you can prepare right now with ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We need a tablespoon of washing powder. Laundry soap is a powerful ingredient that, in addition to helping to clean, also works as a great repellent for those unwanted bugs. We're going to add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It can be any brand you have at home. Toothpaste with its antibacterial properties is another key component of this mixture. It works effectively by helping to eliminate the problem at its root. A tablespoon and a half of sugar. Sugar is the ingredient that will attract mice and cockroaches. If they ingest this mixture, the effect will be devastating. Now we are going to stir well to mix the ingredients until it is very homogeneous. We are also going to need a piece of hard bread or an old biscuit. The bread and the biscuit will attract these bugs directly to the trap, and the soap and toothpaste will put an end to the problem once and for all. It's that simple but very effective. These bugs transmit diseases, therefore, cleaning our homes is essential. Keeping the environment clean and sanitized is the best way to prevent them. And here in the profile you will find many cleaning tips that will help you keep your house fragrant and free of these intruders. It is already well mixed. Now we are going to put this solution in the detergent bottles so that it is easier to apply. You can do the same at home, reusing containers that would otherwise be thrown away. The application is simple. Just spread the mixture in the places where these bugs usually hang out. It can be behind furniture, in dark corners, or anywhere else where you know they hang out. I hope it is very useful to you. Until next time, blessings.